on Joan Stanton.
Ms. Stanton, would you just move the microphone down so we make sure we hear everything you have to say?
Okay?
Thank you.
Can you hear it?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
In order to get a mortgage broker's license, I had to be tested, fingerprinted, a credit report pulled, and investigated. I am also required on a yearly basis to take a course. When I had my mortgage business, I had to go through a yearly audit where they reviewed all my assets, accounts, including checks written and deposits made. In order to get a captain's license, I had to take a detailed class, tested, fingerprinted, had to keep track of my hours on the water and turn them in yearly. In order to be a guardian in the state of Florida, you are required to take a 40-hour class, a credit report, and a basic criminal check. You are then handed over a person's life and all assets to do as you please. Once a year, an acting guardian is required to submit a financial statement with 1 month bank statement to verify the asset accounts of the ward. That gives the guardian 10 months to do as she pleases with the liquid assets, just as long as on month 10, you make sure all liquid assets are back in the ward's account, so that on month number 12, the statement reflects beginning balance and ending balance are in sync. There is no accountability for those funds over a 10-month period. In Linrod Douglas' case, I visited Palm Beach County Clerk early on and begged them to do a full audit on Linrod and was told that would be too much work. I was told the visit will keep an eye on him. Well, after it was discovered he stole over $500,000 from various clients, then, and only then, did they feel an audit was necessary. I complained about John Kramer, my parents' former guardian, who allowed assets to leave my parents' premises without a court order. I never heard back on any of the complaints against Mr. Kramer. On July 15, 2016, Michelle Hollister prepared a report ordered by the courts. In the report, she indicated Tony Weber, my brother, was in favor of my mother remaining at Perseverance. She never spoke to or interviewed Tony Weber. I have a notarized statement from Tony Weber confirming this and confirming that he was not in favor of his mother remaining in the facility. Michelle spent very little time with my sister Mary and I, and based a lot of her comments on information that was provided by the owners of the facility, who were later arrested for abuse. Due to this inaccurate report, my mother remained at the Perseverance, from which she was later removed by authorities after the Perseverance were arrested, and she passed away 5 days later. And that hurts. I complained to the necessary authorities about the Perseverance where my parents were forced to live. My complaints were never taken seriously. After the Perseverance were arrested for abuse, it was discovered Mr. Perseverance was tying some of the residents to the bed at night, leaving all residents unattended until morning. It is time to start paying attention. I'm going to start with asking you to require all guardians to submit the ward's yearly accounting on all asset accounts, all pages for the entire year. No one should have full access to someone's asset with little or no oversight. With all asset accounts in the proper hands, they can be reviewed for accuracy.
Thank you, Mrs. Stanton.